spirits. I say bourbons and whiskeys and gins. We found a bunch of really awesome, insane stuff produced locally. Thing that we're bringing in, a rye. So it was really just an awesome day of networking and finding new products. It just really amazing day.
It was a great day.
Yep.
Sure was.
So we plant trees. We plant trees in Aroma Time. We plant trees for every bottle of organic spirits we buy every month. We tally up at the end of the month and we plant trees. So we also did for Valentine's Day.
We planted a tree for every couple that came in, both the 13th and 14th, so Thursday and Friday.
I don't remember how many trees we planted. I think it was 56 or 66.
I think so. 56, I think.
56.
Right.
So our goal is to plant 500 to 600 trees a year. The last trees that we planted went to Australia for obvious reasons. So typically we plant trees here in the Appalachian Mountains, on the Appalachian Mountain Range, somewhere they get planted. We were doing Colorado for a while. Trees are such an important part of our environment. And deforestation typically happens because of food production, cattle grazing in South America, but just overall food production in general. Even avocados have been linked to deforestation. Avocados are a wonderful food, but if you're not buying the right avocados from the right source, there's a detrimental impact to the environment. So just real quick on avocados, you want to avoid avocados from Chile. Really avoid avocados from Chile, from South America. They go in and they literally pull the water supply from the locals. They deforest, they plant their avocado grove, and the locals end up really suffering. Locals, a lot of these communities can barely take baths and showers because of all the water that gets diverted into the avocado groves. So they have to get water has to get trucked in, and it's really not a good situation. And these are big companies that own these avocado groves, and they're putting a lot of small farms out of business down south in South America. What did I say, Argentina or Chile? It's Chile. It's Chile where that's happening. Mexico is a little better. Mexican avocados are a little better. Of course, the best avocados you want to consume are going to be from the United States. And those avocados are, I think, in season now. The season just started and goes until June or July. So the American avocado from California we have the strictest regulations when it comes to that type of agriculture.
That's great.
But Mexico and Chile do not, especially Chile. So a lot of people suffer based upon these avocado groves. So if you want to be conscious about that, California avocados are the way to go. Now, planting trees. We have an organic spirits menu. You want to talk about that, Jamie?
Sure. So we I guess towards the end of last year, we came up with an organic spirits menu at Aroma Time, and we are highlighting a lot of, or most of, our organic spirits that we have behind the bar.
What are some of the cocktails on there?
There's some fun cocktails. So there's an organic margarita, ginger margarita. There is a...
What's that made with?
It's made with Green Bar's tequila, and also their ginger liqueur,
which is organic.
And
Green Bar's a great distiller in California. We just went and visited.
Yeah, so that's that's probably one of our most popular drinks that's on there. We have a hibiscus spritzer. There's a bunch of, I think there's probably about 12, 13 organic cocktails on that organic menu. So every time you come in, you're helping support us to plant more trees. So our vodka, our what we call our well vodka, is organic. We use Granger's organic vodka. So every time you order a vodka drink, that's a house pour drink, you are helping support the environment and helping plant more and more trees. So that's very much appreciated, and that just helps us, plant more trees. So
great. So we are bringing back Square One vodka.
Yeah, that's organic.
We had Square One for a long, long time. We were one of Allison's very first customers in upstate New York, when they launched in upstate New York years ago, they switched distributors. We didn't buy from the new distributor, but now we buy from that distributor. So look out for Square One Cucumber. Their cucumber vodka is awesome. And so that'll be back. So we did find that yesterday at one of the tastings. We saw that. We caught a couple other cool organic things as well. So how many trees did we plant for the month of March? So after we tallied every single, February. Now February's a short month by 1 or 2 days. We had an extra day in their leap year. So how many bottles did we pour in, or how many trees are we planting for the month of February? And I have to go online later and donate. I'm going to do that when we get back today. So we do that every month. So we planted 43 trees for the month of February. 43 more trees, 56 trees on Valentine's Day. So this month, what is that, 97 trees?
56 and 43. 99.
So
just under 100 trees.
Just under 100 trees for the month of February, folks. Thank you very much. We appreciate your support because we could not do that without you. So 99 trees are planted for the month of February. All of the trees will go to Australia this month. Absolutely, all the trees for Australia. And so if you want to help us plant trees, come in, take a look at our organic cocktail menu and order anything off that menu. And every time we buy a new bottle of organic spirits, it represents a tree planted. And those trees will go back to the Appalachian Mountains here very soon, to our own area. And that's about it. Italy, we still have a few seats left for Italy. Italy is happening November 6th to the 15th. We're doing an amazing time. We were actually met between Friday, we were at a major Italian wine award. The biggest premier showcase of Italian wines in the country, premiering all of the Tre Bicchieri winners, Gambero Rosso winners, Tre Bicchieri, which is a very prestigious award that goes out to the end. We met with more of the vineyard owners that we're going to see, people that we know. So that's really awesome. We're really excited about that. Grafalco, he was there.
Yes.
The owner of Tenute Rubino was there, who makes a Seminello. There was really a lot of great owners that were there, vineyard owners that we're going to see this November. Sebastian was there from Maturo, who we just went to go see them in Umbria, Lazio, last fall. So we got to talk with Sebastian. That was one of the highlight vineyards of our last trip.
Yes.
The caves, going down in through the caves, it was just amazing. So VIPWineryVacations.com. There's about 6 spots left. And we'd love to have you join.
Totally love to join.
Yeah. This Friday, speaking of wineries, I'll be cooking. I'll be doing a little risotto demo, an educational thing with a lot of wine and a lot of food at Rabibero. This Friday, go to aromatimebistro.com, scroll down to the banner, click the link, go purchase your tickets online. There'll be another email going out today or tomorrow for that. So
we'd love for you to join us and come taste some wine, taste some good food, learn about risotto.
Yes.
And some cooking tricks of the trade you'll be teaching, huh?
Absolutely. All right, folks, that is it for now, I think. We are open tonight. It's Tuesday night. Half-price margaritas.
Yes.
Half-price margaritas. Very exciting Tuesday night. And last night was lobster night. Sold a lot of lobster tails last night.
Yes.
Lots and lots of lobster tails. All right, folks, that's it for now. Appreciate the support. Thank you very much. And like I said, I'm going to go out for a bike ride here soon.
Yeah, it's beautiful out. Have a great day, everybody.